if we can get 60 votes in the Senate, we're going to try it our way. That's fair. But how we do it, how we go about it, I think needs to be done with respect. I'll throw little ribby jokes around every now and again, fly my flag from my side of the aisle, but it's got to be done with respect. The last thing I'll say is that you guys are early adopters, and early adopters suffer, okay? It's just the bottom line. You might be politically Republican, it doesn't matter. But the fact that you guys are even here means you're early adopters. At some point, there won't be any green buildings. You know this, right? At some point, there'll just be buildings, right? And then these relics, from the past, where like water and energy was being wasted and you got a bunch of toxic materials. And it'll just be buildings. The fact that you have to come to a green building conference means you're early adopters. And you'll suffer a little bit. And you'll reap the reward of being an early mover too. Those of us who have been early adopters of a different view of politics and economics have suffered a little bit. But I believe we're going to reap the rewards of that, and so will the whole country. And my fundamental answer to your question is, should we try to convince people, or should we push ahead? My answer is yes. Yes. Which one should we do? The answer is yes. We should go. Thank you.
Thank you, Ben. I've been a fan and a follower of your work for 3 or 4 years now, and I'm truly impressed, and I think we're all blessed by the work that you've done. Now, and as a follow-up to April's question, I was at Mills College in Oakland, California, a year and a half ago to hear you speak to the Pachamama Alliance.
Yes.
And I am an architect, so I'm faced with the consciousness issue with both clients and consultants who just can't make that shift. But I was wondering, as a question to you, the Awakening the Dreamer Symposium work that we're doing through the Pachamama